In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the API MSWin CRT convert L110 DLL missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Open a browser. Simply search for the missing DLL and put download. Hit enter. Click on it on the first result. Scroll down and then you will find different versions. So check your system type. Type system info in the Windows search bar. Click on it. So know your system type and then download the link that corresponds to your system type. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Then right click, select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click, select copy. Go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, locate the Windows folder, double click, locate the System32 folder. If you're a 64-bit, go to System32. If you're a 32-bit, go to SYSWOW64. Right click and then select paste. Click continue. Once done, close the remaining windows. Then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Then open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ redistributable. Hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the link or download the link that corresponds to your system type and simply install the Microsoft Visual C++ on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.